What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back on the road getting a load right now. We actually kind of slept outside of this facility right here. We are in Huntsville, Alabama, and we are getting loaded with something pretty cool. I'll show you guys that in 1 second. We are still with our brand new 2022 Freightliner Cascadia that we are leasing from Ryder. And as you guys can tell, yeah, we're at the dock. We're getting ready. It's not that bad of a load. Like always, guys, I explain to you where I'm dropping this off, how much this load right here is gonna pay out at the end of the video. Like always, mileage and all that stuff will be provided at the end. So like always, stick tuned, make sure you smash like, and let's go. Pretty much my little setup right here. And it's the, you know, baseline Cascadia. Really nothing to show. We got 6,600 miles right there on the dash. So yeah, it's brand new. Also, finally I got my CB installed. This thing is, I don't know, it doesn't work as great as I wanted to, but still dialed it in. I got the little, what was it, the SWR meter. I got it set pretty, you know, on calibrate right there where it's supposed to. So, you know, it tunes out pretty well, but I don't know, just the speaker on this radio is kind of poopy. So yeah, whatever, still works. Also, here's my sleeping area. I know you guys don't really give a donkey's booty about this, but yeah, I just installed a big refrigerator. I had to pay for myself, whatever. I think I bought this at Lowe's or Home Depot for about 130 or 140 bucks. I mean, it's a big refrigerator. I like it. Also, and who's calling me? Anyways, bought this from Walmart for 20 bucks. Also, it's like a toaster oven. I mean, it's pretty sick. It was this or a microwave. I used to have a microwave a long time ago. I just don't like how soggy bakes things. This is so much better and it's much cheaper and it makes everything crispy. So I can be cooking up some delights right here, 20 bucks. Not bad, not bad. So I got matching black items right there. Yeah, there's really nothing else to see. I got like the home goods right there. Yeah, that's my setup pretty much. Let's go ahead and wait until we get loaded so I can guys show you a sneak peek of what I am picking up. It's pretty awesome.
I'm fast as boy.
Alrighty. Woo! Would you look at that? We got some ATV boys. What are they, BOBCATs? Looks nice. Oh, they even used some straps. They gave me some straps. That's what's up. All right, appreciate it, appreciate it. Oh, yeah. And we are out of there, boys. Would you just look at this? We are gonna be traveling through these US roads until we get to Memphis, and we are going to Dallas, Texas. Looks kind of muddy, but looks awesome, man. These new views, I love it. I love this new job I got. I love all of this. I'm just so thankful that I get opportunities like this just to view new areas of the world. It's really, really great. Surprise, surprise, guys. We have not one drop, but 3 drops. We have 2 drops in Dallas, and then we're gonna go northwest a little bit to Clovis, New Mexico to do the last drop. Total miles about 1,300. So yeah, not bad, not bad. You want to race?
Let's go, let's go.
Let's race?
Let's go.
What are you hauling?
Clean up.
Well, 7,000, 8,000 pounds?
Get that.
That's what I got, like 7.
Probably got 3,500.
35? Oh man, you might win.
I don't think so.
No?
I'm covered. What you covered at?
70. You got 69.
I got, do I? It says 70, it says 71.
I got 2 radars here. I always backtrack you and you're at 69, yeah. Whatever.
I got about half the weight you got.
All right, let's see who wins. I think it's gonna be you, but. Woo! Come on, boys, we're winning. No! No!
He said that's gonna be the last one. He cut me off. I'm right here at this gas station, right here beside McDonald's. I'll wait on you.
Dang it. Volvo got me. No. It's okay. I can go a little faster. I can go 70 and he can only go 69. Good morning. Yeah, I slept outside their facility right here. We are at BOBCAT. I'm about to drop off 1 unit. We are in North Dallas, and then we need to go to South Dallas to drop off 1 more. Well, that was fast. Usually they get them off pretty quickly. BOBCAT of America. Nice.
Nice.
Alrighty, only got 2 more, but that's for New Mexico. Just fueled up and we are ready to go. Check out this guy's truck. Pretty sick looking. It's a little older obviously, but check her out. The frame is stretched. Try to pimp it out. Man, I'm glad people are interested in modifying big semis, because without this, America won't be great. Alrighty, now on the road again. We are gonna be hitting I-20 here soon, 20 west. And yeah, that's gonna be Fort Worth, pretty much where I dropped off the first load. And we're heading west on 20 and then past Abilene, Texas. We're gonna head up north on some weird, sketchy US roads. Yeah, I've never been on that road ever. I think going to Lubbock, Texas. Lubbock is a big city. I didn't even know that. I zoomed in, I'm like, what the heck? In the middle of the desert, there's just this city named Lubbock. Going past Lubbock into Clovis, New Mexico. Freaking A, this guy almost hit me, or maybe he did hit me. He has some scratches on his freaking A, dude. I gotta pull over and check. I got his license plate just in case. I gotta get his MC number and DOT number just in case. Oh my gosh. I had to pull over to check if he hit me, and yeah, he hit my mirror right there, passenger side, but there's no cracks or anything like that. My mirror literally moved. I had to adjust it right there, but there's no damage or anything like that. No scratches on my body, not even a scratch on the mirror. So I don't know exactly how he moved that mirror, but I got him on dash cam 100%. I will be showing you guys that footage in a second, or already showed it to you. Man, there's some bad drivers around here in Texas, y'all. Whatever, I guess you gotta keep on trucking. He's gonna get what he gets later, I guess, in life.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. Time and hour. Yeah, well, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really safe and I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it. Cause I got my mind on some bigger things. So man, I ain't gonna give in now, I just gotta live this now. I be gonna be man, I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring. When I'm knocking it out, when I'm back with the win. Cause I am just up on the journey, you just know that I'm just going insane.
All right, boys, we are empty in the middle of New Mexico, just flat and deserty and grassy and very windy. So this camera quality, yeah, it's gonna kind of suck a little bit, but check this out. Check what I found right there where I just offloaded. There is an old school GMC truck. This thing is sick looking. Oh yeah, she's showing signs of wear and tear, bullet holes everywhere. Perfect. Oh yeah, look at that. It's definitely bullet holes. I like it. Frame is still here, sort of. It's not bad, not bad. Check it out, boys. 35,000, our best offer, come on. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and talk about this load that we did. So pretty much we picked up in Alabama, drove 2 loads to Dallas, and this is the last stop. 2 of them went out right here in New Mexico. So we have about 1,200 miles under our belt here, boys. Guess what kind of price this was, this load right here? Guess. 3, 2, 1. Wrong, obviously. It was $3,900. $3,900. That's obviously dirty money, minus fuel, dispatch fee, and, you know, rental for these 2 days. Yeah, it's probably gonna be about $2,000 clean. That's not bad, because I used to earn that in about a week driving for a company. So is this worth it? Yeah, obviously. Some days are better, some days are worse. It is what it is. And yeah, I actually got loaded out already. I'm going to my pickup and then sleeping there and then leaving out in the morning. So yeah, guys, I appreciate it for watching. Hope you like these kind of videos. Stick tuned for more. I'll be revealing some secrets here and there about brokerage and stuff like that. And am I actually gonna open up a trucking company? I guess you have to stick tuned to find out. I appreciate it, guys. Be safe, be blessed, and like always, deuces.